carrot.
Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
D for dinosaur.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on
E for egg. F for fish.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The
G
Muffin
for
Man,
goat.
the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the
H for hat.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
I for ice cream. J for jug.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
K for kangaroo.
The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
L for lion.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked
M for mango.
away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
N for nest.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3.
O for octopus.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
P for parrot. Q for queen.
The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
R for rabbit.
Tock, tick tock.
S for snake.
The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her house.
T for tiger.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
U for umbrella.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6.
V for van.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick
W for watermelon.
tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory
X for xylophone.
tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Y for yak.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock
Z for zebra.
mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.